guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and also hit that bell notification right here so you won't miss any more videos that I post. So this video, we're getting in the shower. I'm showing you guys how I wash my hair from start to finish. I am showing the products that I use, even though, like I always say, these are not going to be my permanent products. Working on better things, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I was washing and styling in the shower, this TWA. So let's get started. First thing I am going to be using is the Crème of Nature Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. So it does say on dry hair to apply it. So this is what it looks like, and this is the consistency of the product. So I'm just gonna take a big cloth and go ahead and massage it into my hair. This product is infused with Moroccan clay, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal. This collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens, and revitalizes all hair type, instantly leaving hair soft to the touch and easy to style. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Not Your Mother shampoo. The Not Your Mother shampoo is the perfect base to create those tussle waves with ease. Hang loose, because this salon formula infused with sea kelp and coconut oil will cleanse your hair without harsh sulfate and leave you feeling and smelling like you just got to the shore. The next product that I'm going to use is the Not Your Mother's conditioner. This conditioner is the perfect base to create tangle-free, healthy waves with ease. Hang loose, because the salon formula infused with sea kelp and coconut oil will nourish and soften your hair and leave you feeling and smelling like you just got to the shore. Now, I know it says that it's for waves, but I have, I guess right now, type 4 hair, and I just use this product to clean and moisturize my hair. This is the coconut oil protein pack by Palmer's Oil. This product contains ethically balanced and sustainable source coconut oil and Tahitian manoi infused with tiara flower petals. These raw, natural ingredients deeply hydrate, repair, damage, and give your hair incredible shine. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Deep Conditioning Protein Pack is a moisture-intense treatment that helps strengthen and repair weak, fragile, and damaged hair. I only use this once a month because since it is a protein treatment, just to restore the strength back in my hair. But then I usually use the Crème of Nature Pure Honey Mask. This product is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter. This collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softens, and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. These two products I mentioned in my Style With Me video. I'll link it above in the cards. This is the Natural Curl Defining Cream in Coconut Shea and the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Scalping Gel.